After I've been trading for about 5 years, I still wasn't really profitable, and I thought I really wanted to be a trading psychology coach, and I thought that was the thing, that was what's going to make me profitable, and the psychology was going to be the thing. But as the years goes on, and I've been trading now for over 8 years, I've realized something else. I've realized from everyone that I've been working with in these years, the biggest problem is not the trading psychology. We use trading psychology as an excuse for what we don't really know. We say we need more discipline, we need more patience, we have problems with overtrading, or we have problems with not waiting for a setup. But in reality, every time I go into a coaching call and I ask them about their strategy, there's always flaws. I've never met a trader who's actually come to me and asked for help that knows their system inside and out. And for me personally, that meant simplifying it down to the smallest detail. And that's why I created a one-page trading plan, because I wanted to make it simple, because everything was confusing me. I was going through these really long courses, really long mentorship programs, so I had to simplify it for myself, because while I was trading, I couldn't think about all these 10-20 things at the same time. So I was just getting really confused. And it didn't work for me until I simplified it enough so I just knew it. I could put it on one page. And that's what the one-page trading plan is. And if you have problems with overtrading or your patience, just look at this, because I have yet to meet a person that has been going through and created their own trading process on one page that hasn't improved their own trading. So I'm going to show you why and how you can do this, because it's the most powerful thing I've ever discovered in trading. So you don't have to care so much about trading psychology, because your trading plan is so simple. So you don't have that many emotions getting into your trading. So it's easy to trade for you because it's so simple. And if you want to download the one-page trading plan so you can create your own or see other people's templates, just feel free to download that in the description. And I would also appreciate if you create a one-page trading plan and you want to share it so I can share it with more people so they can get inspiration. Feel free to share that on my email or on my Instagram. So thank you so much for that. Let's dive in. So today I want to show you why you're not profitable. Or actually, it's not really about why you're not profitable, but what could you make you profitable. Also going to show you some example from some of our clients. And just this is a one-page trading plan. So it's a trading plan built on one page. And you can see right here, deep fucking value. That's a one trade. Monthly income, it's another trade, and a reversal is another trade. Because we talk a lot about overtrading or patience problem. You can solve most of your psychology problem if you just follow this thing. And it's easier to not have those problems if you're able to follow something. I'm going to show, this is from one of our clients. The entry, for example, a really nice, the way to fix an early entry or late entry is really just to focus on the exact entry. What's the exact entry? A break of a signal bar's high. That's an example. Or a breaker of fair value gap. So these are good entries, perfect entries. And everything else is shitty entries. So the only thing you need to focus on is whatever entry you have. And on my entries, I have break of candle high. That's a break of signal candle high. And then we have the second thing, which is a stop loss. What's the problem with the stop loss? That's like it's too wide or it's too much risk or whatever. I have 1 point under signal bar. That's it. I don't have to think. I don't have to do anything. I just literally just make it 1 point under the bar. Here, that's my stop loss. And when the candle goes above right here, that's my entry. So that's easy. TP1 is 1 to 1. So let's say 1 to 1 here and then 1.5 here. Those are all set already. That's easy. So then we have what's the no trade rule. And that's about what if everything lines up, but this doesn't line up. That means I'm out of the trade. At start, I start with would something tell me to not go into this trade? And one is not enough RR because I trade with level or zone to zone, or if there's a range. So if it's looking like this, I don't want to trade. I'm waiting for something else. I don't take a trending setup in a range. Then I take a reversal setup. But a trending setup, I don't do ads. The ads are just for the same setup if it happens again. But then you have A setup or B setup. So basically I have level. So I need a level right here. And then we have not overextended against 5-minute 9. Great. That's just my EMA. So it's not too far away from it. And signal candle, which we already have, and a higher time frame trend. So basically trending on a higher time frame. That's all. If these are in alignment, I get a level. So the level is basically more so the signal. And then the second signal is the candle, and then the confirmation is here. It's so simple. And then I just have some comments, which is never expect breakouts with a monthly income. That's it. As long as it's not overextended, it can be anywhere. That's how easy my trades are. And if you want my trades, you can download them or you can use these. You can take a screenshot right here and see if you understand them. And if you don't, you can ask me some questions. But I'm just saying that these problems, patience problems, the problem with patience is because you don't know that your A setup, you don't know what you're waiting for. If you know what you're waiting for, all you need to do is create a 1, 2, 3 steps. So level, signal candle, and then this, whatever trigger it is. For me, it's these look like this, boom, boom, boom. This is where I want there to be a level, I want a signal candle, and then I want the confirmation. And I want this all to be in a higher time frame trend. That's it. That's my whole system. So this one, the deep fucking value, is a deeper retest. Not that deep, but a deeper retest. And this one is a faster retest. And then we have reversal. It's literally the same trade, but on the other side. This is the craziest thing. We work with people for 60 days and we watch them trade, and the only thing we do is base everything on this one-page trading plan. We're like, all right, are you following your one-page trading plan? And we are looking at the one-page trading plan while we're watching them trade. Clients pay thousands and thousands of dollars for us to do this, and you get this for free. You just create this thing and then you follow it. And also that's another reason why I give my setups and everything out for free, because it's not about the setups. It's all about the execution. It's about your habits. It's about how you can create habits of just following your easy trades. For example, this is one of our clients and he's only trading one setup. That's it. Here's another one. And this is how you can do it. Let's see if we can do this. So this is another friend of mine, and this is how you can do it too. You can create questions. So first you start with, are we trending? Are we trending on the other time frame? No, no trade. Or yes. Are we trending? Yes. Are we more than 50 points overextended? Let's say no. Signal bar, has it formed? Yes. Is key level more than 40 points away? Which is like, is there RR? And then yes, 2 or more confluences. Yes. A plus entry. TP at 2 RR, we 1 runner if room to the next level. Or no, 1 confluence. Yes. A entry, PT at 1.5. So this person just literally makes it that if it's not enough confluences, you don't run it as far. And this is such a good one pager. And I give this one pager to everyone. I just want everyone to have it because it's so good. And on this, you want to divide your setups into A entries, B entries, and you can watch that on my journaling videos, that how you journal that, because then you can understand if you don't have enough confidence in your setups, which is basically if you're trading too small size on A entries, or you can see if you have too much confidence, that you're delusional with your trading, which is that you take too much size on a B setup. So a lot of your trading problems are going to be fixed if you just follow a one-page trading plan. And the way I also like to tell everyone is to paint your setup. Paint it, because if you can paint it, it means you can understand it, you can visually see it. This is a range breakout here, and this is a trending setup. This is a double bottom, basically, I think. Double bottom. And here is a deeper retest. And then you can add whatever that's important for you, but just keep it so small. This is a really good one. So all of these questions or all of these setups here are down into these questions. What tells me not to take this trade? And then you ask yourself, are we overextended or are we ranging? We're ranging. No, no trade. Or nothing is saying it. What's the bigger trend? We are trending. So this person used 55 EMA on bigger time frame. Or the level, which is hourly level. Yes, we have a level. We're bigger trending. We're not overextended. Great, I take the trade. So you basically build a systematic approach in your head for how you're going to trade these trades. And for me, example, if pre-market high-low has been tested more than once, I look for sweep. And if it's not, I'm only looking for a trending setup. So if we just tested pre-market high once and we come up to it, I look for a trending setup. If we done this is the pre-market, I'm looking for a potential sweep, which is something like that. And if 15-minute zone on top of the pre-market and zone on low, just shield and no trades in between. So basically, if we have a zone on the top, if we have a zone underneath, so I just shield in between here. I'm not waiting for anything. So this is how simple my trading system is. You can take it for free if you want a one-page trading plan, or if you even want us to help you with it and watch you trade and get consistent in 60 days, feel free to book a call with us. But this is going to help you a lot. I hope it's going to do. And if you have any questions, feel free to always ask, because I absolutely love doing this.